Have you ever wondered why horticulture matters in our world and heritage? This practice, rooted deeply in our past, has shaped societies, nurtured biodiversity, and influenced climates. Through the ages, it has evolved remarkably, from the simple cultivation of food crops to the artful crafting of ornamental landscapes. Its impact is global, reaching every corner of our planet. It's not just about pretty flowers, it's a testament to our shared history and our relationship with the earth. Horticulture has been a crucial part of our history and continues to shape our future. Now, imagine stepping into a historic garden, a living testament to our horticultural heritage. As you wander through this verdant paradise, you find yourself surrounded by an array of vibrant blooms and lush greenery. Each plant, each tree, each flower carries a rich history within its roots. The layout of the garden, a thoughtful blend of form and function, mirrors the evolution of horticulture over centuries. From the ancient medicinal herbs to the exotic ornamentals brought back by explorers of yore, the garden is a botanical library that reflects the curiosity and ingenuity of its creators. The towering oaks and the delicate orchids, the creeping vines and the steadfast evergreens, each species in the garden is a unique testament to the diversity and adaptability of nature. As you walk along the winding paths, you realize that every stone, every bend, every plant is a page in the story of our horticultural heritage. Every plant, every path, every stone in this garden tells a story of our horticultural heritage. So, what does the future hold for horticulture? The trends are exciting, with sustainable practices, urban gardening, and tech innovation taking center stage. These developments are key to addressing our environmental challenges. The future of horticulture lies in our hands, continuing a tradition that dates back thousands of years. As we come to the end of our garden journey, we realize how vital it is to understand and preserve our horticultural heritage. Remember, every garden has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this journey through horticultural history, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating garden tours.